the table of contents is an extremely useful element in Elementor, especially for a big blog post like this one. You see, this blog post is huge and you just keep on scrolling over here, okay? And having a table of contents allows the reader to browse through the contents of the blog, then going to a specific part instead of reading the entire thing. It saves a lot of time and it's efficient. And how it mainly works is by pulling in. It simply pulls in the heading tags over here and shows it to you, and when you go into it, this heading tag is connecting tags are over here. So let me just show you how you can add a table of contents in Elementor. Firstly, I will delete this one. All you need to do is search, write down table over here, and here's the table of contents, and put it wherever you feel like. It simply pulls in the heading tags over here. You see, it pulls in the heading tags. By default, it pulls in all the heading tags. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to keep only the H2 heading tags over here. You can also keep in other heading tags which you feel appropriate. It's up to you. Okay, see, it's all the heading tags over here. And what you can do, you can also change the markers to bullet points over here. Okay, this will change the numbers to bullet points. It's updating. You see, it changes to the bullet points instead of numbers. I will keep it to numbers. And another thing what you can do is you can have the option to minimize the box so that it's not open like this one. Especially if your table of elements is very big, then it's better to keep it on in closed state. For example, now it only close on tablet. I'll choose it to close from desktop, and then when someone clicks over here, it will open up and then it will close down. Okay, and also you can do some stylings over here. I can change the background color over here of the box. For the header, I can have a different background color over here like this one, you see. So you can style it, you can change the typography over here and other kind of things. You can keep on styling. X up to you. Okay, it's up to you. You can do different kind of stylings over here. I'll just change it to default, and the header also I change it to default. Okay, so this is how you add a table of contents in Elementor, and this is a very useful element. And if you add this, then it would help your visitors, your website visitors and the reader to easily browse through your blog post or page and go to the important part they are interested in or find useful in. So I hope you found this video tutorial useful, and if you did, then please make sure to like this video.